Tonight, we are reading a soft and cozy bedtime story about Stella and her magical Starhorn, a story filled with friendship, courage, and the beautiful magic of being yourself. Stella the Starhorn's first day at Unicorn Academy, written and illustrated by Priya Suvarna. Stella the Starhorn woke up with a twinkle on her horn and a flutter in her tummy. Today was a very special day. Stella was turning 5, and 5 meant she could finally go to Unicorn Academy. She raced outside where the sky shimmered like rainbow sprinkles. Her mama gave her a shiny pink satchel. Her papa polished her sparkly horn. "You're ready, Stella," they said with warm smiles. Along the glitter path to school, Stella met her best friend, Milo the Moonhorn. "I can't wait to learn flying spells," Milo neighed. "I hope we get to make rainbow clouds," Stella giggled. When they reached Unicorn Academy, the gates opened with a soft whoosh of stardust. The classroom sparkled with floating stars, soft cloud chairs, and a teacher with silver wings. "Welcome, little unicorns," said Miss Kaha Starwhirl. "Today your magic begins." First lesson, finding your spark. Every unicorn had to make their horn glow. Milo's horn glowed blue like the night sky, but Stella's horn flickered and fizzled. "Oh no," whispered Stella. "What if I don't have any magic?" Miss Starwhirl knelt beside her. "Magic isn't about shining the brightest," she said softly. "It's about shining your way." Stella closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and thought about the things she loved most: her birthday morning, her mama's smile, her papa's laugh. A warm glow filled her chest, then traveled up, up, up her horn.
Whoa! Whoa!
Her horn didn't glow like anyone else's. It burst into tiny stars that danced around the room. "Whoa!" gasped Milo. "Stella's found her Starhorn spark," cheered Miss Cake Starwhirl. Stella beamed. She didn't just have magic. She had her own kind of magic. As the sun set over Unicorn Valley, Stella whispered to herself, 5 is the perfect age to shine. Thank you for spending story time with us today. If your child enjoyed this story, you can purchase the physical book using the Amazon link in the description below. For more read aloud stories that support reading confidence, imagination, and calm bedtime routines, you are always welcome at Inner Harmony Reads.